JELD-WEN Canada proudly serves Canadians searching for beautiful, reliable, and energy-efficient windows and doors that can withstand our varied climate, from summer heat to the punishing cold of winter. Our innovative and stylish products keep you comfortable all year long. We have demonstrated our philosophy of continuous improvement and manufacturing excellence with the expansion of our 48-acre Saint-Henri, Quebec manufacturing facility. This upgrade not only created additional manufacturing capacity, but has allowed us to improve our delivery times and increase our efficiency.
JELD-WEN Canada continues to exceed expectations of Canadians by expanding our window and door operations. With over 940,000 square feet of manufacturing space, our footprint now includes expanded manufacturing and distribution facilities in Saint-Henri, Quebec, in addition to Toronto, Winnipeg, and Moncton.
These improvements to the Saint-Henri facility provide an immediate improvement to our capabilities and the quality that goes into every JELD-WEN interior and exterior door.
We are invested in our customers and meeting the increasing demand for interior door options. This expansion will allow us to provide additional manufacturing capacity.
We have added 50,000 additional square feet of manufacturing space, giving the flexibility to reorganize the facility, improving the efficiency of manufacturing and assembly, but also creating an even safer environment for our associates. We have also doubled the number of presses, allowing us to increase our productivity. For the first time in more than 30 years, we have added a second saw line. This additional station has increased our productivity. An improved shipping area gives us additional space for storage and inventory, but also generates a faster unloading and loading process, all completely indoors.
I'm very grateful and proud of the accomplishments of our JELD-WEN Saint-Henri team.
Our upgraded facility in Saint-Henri is another example of JELD-WEN's commitment to our customers across Canada. Learn more about our innovative manufacturing and cross-Canada support at JELD-WEN.ca.